Welcome to another video. Today I will show you a few tools that you can use to debloat your fresh install of Windows 11 and install multiple apps at once. To begin with, I will do some customization settings I like to do every time I install Windows 11. These help make my desktop a bit more clean.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Next, I will proceed to uninstall apps that Microsoft includes in a fresh install of Windows 11. This is the first step I do before starting to debloat the system.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Now to the actual debloating. Why should we debloat Windows, you might ask? The answer is simple. To get rid of all useless services Microsoft includes in Windows by default that use resources and eventually make our system slower. To debloat Windows easily, I use a tool by Chris Titus. It is called Winutil, and it has many features that I will demonstrate shortly. To run this tool, you will need to open PowerShell as an administrator like I do here. Once that is done, paste the command you see on your screen. I will also leave it on the description of this video so that you can copy it directly.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And
once the tool is open, you will see 5 tabs on the top. The one that we will use for debloating is Tweaks, so click on that. Here you will see 2 recommended debloating selections. Standard, which is the main option and the one I will do on this video, and Minimal, which debloats only the essentials. You can also manually select what stuff you want to debloat manually if you are more advanced. If you are not sure about what a service is, you can click on the question mark icon and it will open up a browser window explaining what it is. Once I choose the standard preset, I can click on Run Tweaks to begin the debloating process. This might take a few minutes, so I will fast forward the video. Once it is done, it will say, "Tweaks are finished." There are also some preference options for customizing Windows that you can't normally find on the Settings app, yet they are very useful options. You can check out the other tabs if you want, but the second one I want to focus on is the Install tab. Here you can select multiple apps and then have the tool install them all at once, so you don't have to do anything. My instance seems to have frozen as it does not do anything after many minutes. So I will show you an alternative tool that you can find online to help you do the same job. It is called Winutil. Both of these tools do the same job, but Chris's tools has way more apps to choose from. After the program finishes installing all the apps, you will see them in your desktop if they have shortcuts, or in your start menu otherwise, just like if you had installed them manually. That is all for today's video. I hope you found it useful. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this one.